Let's talk day trading basics so that you can pay your bills with day trading income. We're talking about cash flow creation, regardless of your age, religion, where you live, or your beliefs in the world. Tesla, did it open above the high of yesterday? Yes or no? The answer, yes. That means you're able to trade this ticker today. Then we pop into a 3-minute chart, and we really do not get any signal at all. The signal we're looking for, of course, is that 10 EMA entry, baby. First bear candle closing above the 10 or first bull candle closing below the 10. We get none of those signals until here. Here's your first bear candle closing above the 10. Obviously no entry there because it broke down. So you would have had an entry there, stopped there, just wouldn't have triggered. Comes down, comes up, no candles, and then boom sauce. Here it is. And we're talking perfection too. 9:24, an hour after market open. This is Central Time, 10:24 Eastern. You get 3 bear candles, all of them closing above the 10 EMA, a perfect hammer, lower wick, trapping everybody, entries, stop losses, profits, boom, boom, boom. So your entry on this trade is going to be around, let's say, 213.50. And your stop loss, let's say $211.50. That's a $2 risk. That $2 risk would have turned into about $3.50 of a reward. $3.50 per share on a $2 risk, regardless of how many shares you purchased. An example, you buy 1,000 shares and you make $3,500. That is enough to most likely pay your mortgage for the entire month of June. And it's only June 2nd. So that means, boom, no longer have to worry about that stress for you and your family. Check out how many traders did this effectively and profitably here in RLT. We had our girl Marta, who is our famed success coach at Real Life Trading. Boom, snagged it, bagged it, snapping necks, cashing checks. Win Smitty, boo, good job. Win crushing Tesla today as well. I love it. Jose Lopez, let's go, my guy. Well done. I love seeing the gains. And we also have Sean Bell. Sean Bell nailed it on Tesla. We have Chaz. Chaz nailed it on Walt Disney. So not quite Tesla, but hey, you can make money on other tickers too. Chaz, great job. Just want to show other people that things are available for everyone and all of us. And then again, here is Brooke Baker. Brooke just joining RLT recently and is already crushing it. Great work, champion. So proud of you. Team, this is a community. This is a family. And my mission is to enrich your life so that you understand this. It's easy. It's simple. It's fast. It's effective. I can show you this. I can teach you this, and I want to. If you have any interest at all in doing a day trading weekly options course with me, I'll be teaching that on this upcoming Monday. So 2 or 3 days from now. Of course, feel free to join any of our free programs to just get more insight and information at zero cost to you. And if you want to go through the masterclass in August, it'll be taught by predominantly me at 7 a.m. Eastern starting in August. Ladies and gentlemen, I love you all so much. Click that subscribe button. If you have any questions, throw them in the chat pane below. I had a question on CrowdStrike from a gentleman wanting to know what this is going to do. And in my personal opinion, this is probably what CrowdStrike's going to do over the next 2 or 3 days. It may or may not, obviously, but with this type of gap down, we're going to get some type of compression. If that compression ends up breaking higher, send it. This will be strong. I mean, the weekly chart looks really good. You're battling the 200 simple in a weekly right now, so we have room. So I think that compression will eventually trade up into the 100, but for right now, this is what we're looking at. Let it kind of compress, consolidate, and then do its thing. And then also had a request for Walgreens Boots Alliance. Again, from a day trading perspective, definitely an opportunity here, but from a swing trade, probably not. You did have a wicked pair candle pattern down here. You certainly have some bullishness. You had an indecision high wave candle just yesterday, and then we took out the high of the day pretty quickly on Walgreens. The challenge is it's just getting absolutely reamed. Yes, we are trading down into a support level for sure. So if you're buying Walgreens, you got to be buying it low and you got to be buying it slow. You can't be aggressively buying down here. What that means is maybe buy 10, 20, 30 shares every other couple of days or couple of weeks and just build into a position. Because yes, it can go back up, and yes, it probably will. But if you adjust the chart for dividends, giving it its best case scenario, turning on a logarithm chart, we're below everything. And yeah, we're out of support, but this just tells me that if it's going to go higher, it's going to have a long time to wait to really get that equity gain, most likely. Just my opinion, of course, but I don't have any position on Walgreens, but I do have a position on you. I am bullish on you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm buying calls on the students of RLT. Post in the comment section below so that we can review some trades for you next week. And until then, love life, and trade it. Bye.